In this video guys, I'll be reviewing the Milani Green Goddess Makeup Melter, which is the Milani Cleansing Balm. This is how it looks. I'll be reviewing this product and let you guys know what I think about this product. And also, I'm going to apply it on my face so that you guys see how it all comes together. So if you're interested to know what I think about this product and everything about this product, then keep on watching this video. People, how you're doing today? If this is the first time you are seeing my face, hi, my name is Destiny and welcome to my channel. Guys, you can tell from my face I'm tired, I'm ready to go to bed, I'm ready to take off this face. And if you're like me, where to take off your makeup sometimes can be like So I got the Milani Green Goddess Makeup Cleansing Balm and I've used it, guys. You can tell I've used it, so I feel like I can tell you guys about this product. So I've used this product for a while now and I have a lot to say about this product. So before I go into what I think about this product, if I like it or not, let's find out the claims of this product, okay? So the Milani Green Goddess Makeup Melter, the cleansing balm, costs $14.99 on the Milani website. I think that's how much I bought it. I bought it for like $15. That's how much I bought it. And these are the claims of this product. It said, remove your makeup will become the highlight of your day with a shape-shifting formula fit for a goddess. Our cannabis sativa seed oil infused makeup melter goes for solid balm to silky oil the second he hits your skin. The dual oil complex work instantly, transforming from balm to oil for effortless makeup removal without a greasy residue. Suitable for all skin types. It removes the most stubborn makeup, sunscreen, pollution with a spa-like blend of bergamot, vetiver, and verbena. I don't know what that is, okay? And they said this is a cruelty-free, vegan, and is made in Japan. On it, they others describe how to use it. They say the luxury makeup removing cleansing balm, how to use: apply a generous amount and massage into your dry skin. Rinse with water or a damp washcloth. Okay, so I'll be using a damp washcloth for today's demonstration. As you can see, I have a full bead face makeup on. So this is how the container comes. Just like this, and then you open it, it comes like this. So I'm just going to scoop out. So I'm using this amount on my face. I'm just going to work it into my hands and then apply. So you can tell I have eyeliner on, I have mascara on. So I'll see you see how it, and this thing smells so good, guys. Don't forget your hairline. So to the eyes, you can tell it doesn't stink, so I can open my eyes. Very silky. You can tell it's moving really nicely on the skin and smells so good, guys. So I'm using this like a damp cloth thing I got from which, guys, so my sight is still blurry. Even though I've wiped it off my eyes, it's still blurry. I can be like very foggy as if and all that, but let's just move. I'll let you guys know what was going on there in a bit. So you can see how it's really wiping down so well. I'm using my viewfinder, that's why I'm looking that way. Here's my mirror. I got a mirror, yeah. So this is damp. So this is first wipe, and you can see how it looks. I'm still going to go back again. My sight is still foggy, even though you can barely see any makeup. Let me just go watch this damp cloth and be right back. So I've watched my damp cloth. My eyes are still very foggy, and I'm just going to go and wipe it more, especially around my eye because of my mascara. You can see I'm really not forcing it, I'm just wiping, literally. You can see this is it. This is my eyes, my sides still look foggy, so I'm just going to go with a tissue towel, and then you can see the tissue towel. I can still get a residue of, well, I say my mascara. Yeah, a very tiny amount is barely visible, very tiny amount as I try to wipe out down. My sight is better now, but still a little bit foggy, but better. Anyway guys, so this is how it looks. My face is clean and wiped. One thing I like about this product is that it doesn't leave any oil residue, and because of this white damp cloth I use, guys, see, if you've been seeing this thing on Wish, AliExpress, Amazon, you're asking yourself, is this thing worth it? Just grab it. I think I got it free on Wish. I just paid for shipping. This thing has been like my holy grail every day to take off my makeup, and it makes it a lot easier. Another thing I'll tell you about this product is that they said you wash with warm water. I've washed it. It washed well with water, like it will just wash up really nicely. But because most times I'm just sitting down, I really want to get, I just go with my damp cloth. It makes it a lot easier and less messy for me personally. So I prefer a damp cloth to rinsing it off on the sink and all that. So anyway, so it works well either way. You can do either way, but I personally advise go grab your own, okay, of this. It wasn't sponsored, but I'm loving it, okay? Because you're using a cleansing bar, that doesn't mean you're not going to clean your face. I'll still go after and wash my face with my facial cleanser and do my skincare treatment and all that. So, but it melts well into my skin, breaks down my makeup, it takes down my mascara. You can see I barely have little or no mascara anymore on my eyes. Even though when I wipe with the tissue, a little stain came off, but I'm still watching my face. But it really broke down my makeup the way I like it. So I've been loving this product since I got it. One of the things I don't like about this cleansing balm is the fact that it always blurs my sides every day, every time I use it. I don't know why it does that, but my sides will just go blurry and foggy for a couple of minutes, and then once I wipe it now, like as you can see, I'll see clearly. I don't know why it does that. Maybe because I really put it really close to my lash so that I can break down my mascara. Maybe that is it, but it always does that. And another thing I don't like about this product is the fact that it doesn't come with a scoop, so every time I'll have to dip my hand into it to get the product out. I didn't like that part of it. Then I'll tell you, this product has a little bit of scent to it, has a fragrance to it. So if fragrance something that you don't like in your skincare or in your cleansing balm, don't go for this product. This product has it. For me personally, I like it. I like the way it smells. This gives you 45 grams of product, which is not a lot, guys. Like, I'm going to say it's not a lot for $15. I did a review on the F1. That one was, how much did I get that? I can't even remember, but that one didn't even have more product than, I think that was like $10. I'll say for that amount is pretty small, but for a drugstore product, I feel the quantity is small, period. That's what I feel. Somebody's asking me, doesn't really recommend it. If you have the money, go for it. If you don't have the money, go for other substitute. But so far it does what it claims. It makes taking off my makeup a lot easier with the cleansing balm. I didn't believe that I would personally be saying that about cleansing balm, because I like using my oil, my natural oils for my face and taking down my makeup. But I've been using cleansing balm for a couple of months now, and I've been loving them. So this is one of them, the Milani one, and I love it. Anyway guys, let me know your thought down about this product if you've used it, and if you like such video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you have any question or any product you think I should review, go ahead and leave it down in the comment section. I would love to hear from you guys. So with that all said, guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Deuces.